Wairire vya mwancho murigira vigitaseni kya Ndizi TV ni gocheragire Chinsa Ikomi chabono maragoba chitariki ni 3 mutenyo kane omwaka bw'echiri 2024 erieta ryane Dorcas Kemuma na nigongo kwarigania atwemanye mangana magia senchera yowenge oyo tokubwatira nere uyu kumanya gwetera senchera yemenyerio nere Lydia Mose no yokwene kingama ryogene chibichago ikire a senchera yobwekenanu nere Sara Momanyi. Tubuatia wetera senchira ye mitandao sensemo ya Facebook okotonyora buna Ndizi TV News Digital na semo ya YouTube tonyora buna Ndizi TV News na bohigo ase omtandao we website tonyora www.ndizitv.net ama yangu kwaligania tonyachake kurase county ya Nyamira ase mwalimu omonene we skuru ya Kebirigo Clement Nyagancha oyobono osemiria aborokiwa abobono bago chigo chaka ase omotimo kobo bwerusa maiga yo gukora etamwe ntangani ase eskuru nigabono abairo basemi amna babeba kwerenda chingaki chiga bare ase chinka naboigo babeba gotumeka chingaki chabobuya Nyaganche oyore nyakwana yo chingaki arenge ase omonyega bogo enana ebyego gochya saborokiwa bali baba bagokora buya asa matemo ya kirasi ge12 omwaka oeta nigobono ase skuru ya secondary ya Masege yo gotoke county ya Nyamira ni goboigo atumeka chinga kecho ko babori abaibori kwene kinga ngo ikabale abana babo ange chinga kechiga bare ase omotima kobo
ale abana bari kanasa kebiyo so kwa na idisaga tinya abana bari bara golero yo moke mwasi oke na limana so abua yako mundo the content that you have, whatever that you have accumulated over the 4 years is what will help you. Na ande manage your time well. Mukienda nyumbani, msianza kurukaruka. Delay your pleasures. I know you also make pleasures. Some would wish to go and ride motorbikes. Some would wish to go and do what? And engage yourselves in phones. And probably, be watching very evil, dirty videos in those phones. Can you delay your pleasures so that you are able to achieve that which you are meant to achieve? And then all the time also ensure that you remember to pray for yourselves. Don't say my pastor prayed for me. Don't say my parents prayed for me. Don't say my teachers have prayed for me. Pray for yourselves. But again, when you pray, let the prayer be accompanied by action. Maombi ambayo yako na nini?
Tukwirana ase county ya Kisii nigo abalimi bechinyeni meje county yo anene bali bakorwa ase ensemo ya bamachoge nigo bono banyora oboseme igoro yo kolinda chinyeni chabo na konyora ligesa rinene nabo igo wochia kone ya chinyeni echo ase chichiro cha isiko ya Kenya.
This is a 3.3 years and 5 months project that will be implemented in this county, and majorly this is a research for development project, and with the main goal of increasing productivity and also coming up with interventions, technologies, innovation and management practices towards reduction of these losses, and also enhancing the market access for the African indigenous vegetable, and subsequently also capacity building of the farmers and various value chain actors, because we are looking at array of actors along the value chain, from the soil, the production bit, to marketing and consumption.
Huu mradi utainua kilimo cha mboga asilia ili wakulima wetu waweze kufaidika kwa kupata pesa, chakula na pia waweze kujiajiri mashambani.
Omubunge okitutu chache South Anthony Kibagendi ni gorituko ria rero abwatukire chibasari osechichek oche ase aborokiwa abo obebunge yo yaye ase njera ya moyo kubasira aborokiwa abo kagukwana chingaki arenge ase geikaro na baibori ase nsemo ya Nyabururu nigo Kibagendi atebamna nigara chikwene kinga osirire aborokiwa bonsi bare ase ebunge yaye naso kubwatoka chibasari nigo boigo na ase bunge yaye nigo yaigwa chibesa ne serikali echo chire chimilioni 50 mo neyemo echubono chira chikokonya aborokiwa bonsi bale ase ebunge yo ya kitutu chache South
ye apate chibesa chichi babeba kolega singia chiskuru chito kunya transform tole chipara chito boro chikagenda ne basa kidi banye kurara kujana ina basuma ngabateri ituko ketutu chache South tuli muchwanja na ndo boyi bokorwe asenge chukale ipasiria kaena ndugo bisiga warangirwa mumwe basikanichu wawe ipasiria asenge chuma nike sababu elinga warangirwa na nichuna kwa tense media tunakuweka abandi telikotangazo mtama taliwe. So this time round itu atera to kuchukulikira fine quick tomote kuna nichu kwa tokona tele mate basi iko to kwa kila wasi mutete mo tona tataka kwa application iko that is how people document open elinde kero mokanya ko na kero mo kwa application ni basi mpakanya ulio tali kuchukonyoa iko tali waka kula kwa kitu chache sana tuibwana hiyo one tuliko nyoraga igase na kupegete registration yao ile kura yao ngao no kuchokaki kuchokwe basa ni naiche ngai iko mbili abantu balie babo akikura kwa kitu chache iko tepene tuto iko kwa uzi neons aende bateria kichiko tete tukwatene tunyana kwa eto uchuri kitu chache sawa bali bako ibada utana njiti kwetie kwa mwali kama nani njoo yote njiti ya bana bonsi pi baje kwa kunanji
Ekiumbe kya abamanyi bobochenu asensemo ye chilaboratory ni gobono bararire bene omugiro bo bwemirimo yabo gochakira rituko ria rero bagukwana ne chinyumba cyoburaria ni gobatebemna ni geserikali yangire kutaikirania amagani yabo egento kyabairire gochikogira emirimo yabo asebono batebna ni gabakenya bange barachikonyora emechande menene asa matukara amakale motwe konye serikali tegochi kwangoya na goikirania emirimo Banyagitari.
Last week, on 26th, we gave out a strike notice highlighting various issues that we expected the government to act upon before a lapse of 7 days. Unfortunately, as at yesterday, none of the government or the county governments called us for a meeting. Therefore, we as Kenya National Union of Medical Laboratory Officers have no any other option but to call for a strike.
And now today, as we are standing here, we have withdrawn all our services from the county hospitals and those people who are working in national government. At the end of this week, it will be very painful to the citizens out there that we are going to withdraw our critical services from all the national blood banks. And the implication of it is that we will not be having major operations. Some procedures like dialysis will not be able to be done. So we don't know whether Kenyans are going to get blood from Tanzania, Sudan.
Togos kamote mwanjumurigira omorokyo yomo korase county ya Bungoma ni gwanyorekana gaitire ase nkaya ye rito botukobokira rero korengana na kirori nigo bate babuna nigo banyora anyagosira atingire amagoko amo na magoro egento kiarenta oboichana akonene na chingaki bachikumurigira nigo banyora manyinga kare asareire na boigo gatigeire chingoma chimbe ase chinsemo ase omoberoye nigo bono baganirie serikali goswagati na kwangoya obotuki eri kumanya ngoirete wose ungikirete ogokwa kwaya na ngoikiranete obosaria obwe.
Anaitwa Madam Elizabeth Machuma Wanyonyi, mwalimu wa Miasi East, Mukambi Primary. Niko hapa kuomboleza kifo cha mume wangu ambaye nimempata amefungwa kwa kamba mikono na miguu kama mwizi. Ni head teacher mzima. Let us all rest in peace.
Okay, mimi kwa majina ni Watamba Augustine. Mimi ni mwenyekiti wa chama cha Kenya National Union of Teachers hapa Bungoma South. Nimempoteza mwalimu rafiki yangu mkubwa sana. Kama jamii ya walimu tunaomboleza pakubwa sana. Kifo kimekuwa kifo cha unyama. Tumeshuhudia kuona mwili wa mwalimu amefungwa miguu, amefungwa mikono. Ni kifo ambacho we want to condemn it. I want to ask the Security Council, the security within our region to expedite on investigation. Ili hawa watu, hawa wahalifu waweze kukamatwa.
Mwalimu hastahili kufa kile kitendo ambacho, kile kifo ambacho huyu mwalimu alishiriki. Alikufa kifo ambacho ni kibaya, kifo ambacho ukienda mochari unaona huyu ni mwizi, sio mwalimu. Ili hali yeye ni mtu ambaye anaheshimika, wazazi wote wanamtegemea, sisi tunamtegemea, na sisi kama KNUT hatutaruhusu walimu wetu wauawe vile huyu alikufa. Hata kama ni bibi yake ashikwe awekwe ndani na afungwe. Hata kama ni majirani washikwe awekwe ndani na wafungwe. Kile kitu ambacho tutaruhusu ni kuwa kifo kama hiki
Togotingana nege kore kyo goichano goitwa ko mwalimu yukurase county ya Bungoma na gosikamotwe nigabarai bekyama kya ODM bakora wana Raila Odinga itukoria rero bakorire egeikose bakora egeikaro ase bakwanira mangana ringite ekyame kyo anena sobochori bekyama ekyo bore motwe abo igochinga kecho muri kyo monene bekyama ekyo edwini esifuna chinga kyarengo kwanira abariki gosechomba cha boraria nigatebona nige serikali ya Kenya kwanza itarabwatoka chibesa gocha ase ebyama erinde ebyame byonyale kwegendereria ase chibe ase enseto ya Kenya nabo igo niga amochirie abantu bali bakorenta eburaburu ase ensemo ye kyama ekyo asa tebemna obochori obolimo tweti bo baisa ko bano bo gwatana na ekyama ekyo kolende bo bochori obuya bwo korenta mo abantu bonsi nabo igo kwene kingango sira balekero yomo orancho goswa ekyama ekyo.
Clearly, the aim is to kill all political parties except UDA. We demand, therefore, that the funds be immediately released to parties in amounts and the manner stipulated in law. Be that as it may, the committee has resolved to kick off the party grassroots elections on the 27th of April 2024. The exercise will be staggered as follows. On the 27th, we shall have the exercise in 3 counties, namely Kwale, Busia, and Siaya. Then on the 29th, we shall have grassroots elections happening in Kajiado, Migori, and Wajir counties. And on 30th of April, we shall have the exercise in Kisii, Vihiga, and Murang'a counties. A further timetable covering the next batch of counties shall be released in due course. On rebuilding, rejuvenation, and reforms, the committee agreed on the need to continually grow ODM into a party that is strong both structurally as well as ideologically, with ability to provide effective leadership on local, national, and international affairs. In this regard, we agreed to continue with the ongoing membership registration, while at the same time working on the grassroots and national elections. With pride and satisfaction, the committee took note of the ongoing preparations by various leaders and members to vie for various positions. We have noted immense interest in the party. We are particularly encouraged by the number of young men and women who have expressed a desire or an interest in
Omugavana we county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza nigorituko ria rero asoire bene imeye kiama kia UDA Kawira oyobono obeteka gochorwa no mugavana we county ya Meru chinga kichobo choribo mwaka bwechirwe bire na merongebere naibere korwa ase kiama kyogwo etenera gose independent nigorituko ria rero abeiro yomo bwabana kiama we kiama gya UDA ase omorike omonene we kiama kyo Clovers Manara aikirana ase omuyego yo boko mubekera bene chianga nabo igoko muboi chingoma ekyame kyo kya UDA.
Kwa muda ambao nimekuwa katika uongozi nimeshaguliwa 2017 woman representative Meru kama independent person, sikuwa na chama. 2022 pia nikaingia uwanjani, I was partyless na Mungu akanipatia nafasi ya uongozi nikiwa governor independent. Na watu wamekuwa wakiniuliza sana governor says, mama 2027 tunaelekea wapi? 2027 tupatie sign. Sasa siku ya leo nimekuja kuambia Wameru ya kwamba sign ndio hiyo. Sign ndio hiyo. Chama ni UDA. Na nikaleta marafiki wangu na kuna wengi sana ambao wamebaki Meru. This is the party where women belong, na party ambaye inajali kina mama. Kwa hivyo kama mama najisikia niko nyumbani and I really want to thank God for that. Kwa marafiki wetu ambao wako nyumbani, MCS ambao hawajafika siku ya leo, especially wale wa
Mwanjo morigero robot igoro yo mugavana we county ya Meru goso imeye kiama kya UDA na kugotukolera mwe gosogotwekeria omwero bwa mangana maya senchira yo bwenge genda gotegera korigera gitasene kya Ndizi TV erwe somye na kwemanya amange eritariane Dorcas Kemuma na nigotobatene Lydia Mose oyore kumanya gwetira senchira yimenyerio nere Sara Momanyi oyene kinga chibichamo na amoryoge awikira senchira yo bwikirano twara oborigerio buya me Ndizi TV na bo bwanso bo Gusii.